Hi, this is the founder of Bangkok Matching. Today I would like to talk to you about how to make the Thai girls fall in love with you, how to date with Thai girls. Thai girls are like girls all over the world. Even they are successful or not so successful, they are all looking for someone that's nice, treat them good, treat them nice, respect them, and someone generous wouldn't be hard, and someone that take care of them well, someone that be polite, and if you are romantic would be a plus. So you just behave and be nice to them. It as I mentioned, it's like everywhere else in the world. That's all Thai girls want too. So I hope you good luck. And if you would like to have Bangkok Matching introduce you to good, attractive Thai girls, the group that not looking for your money, you can contact Bangkok Matching by going to our website, bangkokmatching.com. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye.